the water. You can't even see outside. Like, this is serious. Like, can't even see. Wells Fargo Bank. Wow.
Wow.
Planned to set up earlier, like 5 a.m., but it didn't happen. No ladies, yeah. So I'll be taking you along with me for this journey, so watch out. I'm hoping to relax, release some stress, and then get back. Achimota Forest. Achimota, this one I own it. this Achimota Forest, I inherited it from my great grandfather.
Michelle, 2 plots, Carly,
and I'll pass it on
105 plots
to my nephews and nieces. So Carla will get 5 plots. Michelle will get 4 plots, and Andrea will get 2 plots. Yes, making how many plots? 8 plots. Yes.
And
the trees. Which the trees? I will share the trees too. Yeah, they can use the trees for timber and sell it.
They cut the trees forever.
They will cut it. I'll dash it to them forever. This whole land, this whole area is, and all these apartments are mine. You see, all this, and now I'll share all these apartments. You see these beautiful apartments, all of them, they are mine. I heard forever, and I inherited them from my forever grandfather. And once I inherited it from my forever grandfather, I also passed it on to my forever nieces and nephews. All the apartments, even the road, cry. You see the road is mine. All mine. Even the fuel station down there. I'll give it to Michelle. I'll add it to Michelle because Michelle has 4 plots. And later they'll come and say they use 50 Ghana to start a business and they build mansions. You said they should give the forest to immigrants. They should
give more space to live.
So, are we monkeys or what?
Huh?
Are we monkeys? I guess they should come and put all the immigrants in the forest. I think the forest will be better than somewhere.
They should give us a habit.
At least we will own it.
You can create our own veranda inside. Give us a scavenger.
Oh my God.
Why are you at the ground? Get the bus number.
Then the bus number, they bring you to the forest. Also about projects, I don't go forest. No, the immigrants not been showing. Come on, said.
Yeah, go to war.
This valley is so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. Yeah, so this is the rest area, pretty cool area, very green. They have the restroom, the washroom if you wanna just clean yourself up and all that, and they have chairs for people to sit down if you're a family, if you're individual. They have this area too. Like, I'm feeling the whole vibe is so cool. So it's a little bit cold, but it's okay, it's good. It's a nice valley. So we have about 4 more hours to drive to our destination. I probably will do the destination in a different video, I don't know, but let's see what happens. So it was too cold down there. We are by the highway, so that's how you get all these noises. So it was too cold down there, we had to come back to the car area. It's my kebab. Cheers. It was very cold at the sitting area. It's not a joke. Don't try there. You will freeze. I'm the best aboki there has to be in this world. This kebab, God. Did I make this? For real? It's so delicious. What are these onions? I'll see you after. It's raining like never before, and
the drivers who don't understand should come and buy pass.
Yeah, you should, because they can pass to the left of the road if they are not. I'll come and get myself here. Look at the water. You can't even see outside. Like, this is serious. Like, can't even see.
Can see.
Just go slow as you can, because this is our first time using this road. if I still don't know how to drive, we'll suffer. First of all, it's a highway. Secondly, it's raining and it's foggy. You can't see anywhere. Like, you can't see beyond like 5 feet. That's serious. I've never seen this before. Or because this is also a forestry area. That's why. Yeah. Maybe we should have made some. It's more than snow, sir. Serious. Oh, we are in Maryland already. So we passed by first we passed by West Virginia and then Pennsylvania, and then we are now in Maryland. Wow, so that's 3 states. So I can say I've been to 3 states already. I can say I've been to Pennsylvania. I can say I've been to West Virginia. I can say I've been to Maryland. Yeah, and Illinois and Ohio. 5 states. I've done well. I forgot to invite my viewers. So. Well, I invited. Oh. Yeah, so our car had a problem on the way. It was raining. It was very messy. Well, the car didn't have a problem, but we thought the car had a problem too. Because like the road is made of hills and valleys, you know. When you are descending, the car goes the speed increases more than usual, and then when you are ascending, when you are ascending, it's like the speed I don't know, it was just messing up. The speedometer was messing up with us, no. So we thought it had a problem. We stopped at 3 points, and then they checked. All the 3 people said, oh, they haven't seen any problem with it. We plan on reaching our destination at around 2 p.m. And it's 2 p.m. We are at the rest area, but we are not at our destination yet. Dance softly on the sofa. So we are in Virginia right now, but I feel so tired and need some rest. So I'll end this vlog here. Me encaramo arriba de ti como un plan. La bola se me plan. Claro que se me plan. And update you on my location and where I'm probably at my last location in another vlog. So please do want to subscribe and then also hit the notification button so that when I upload it, you will be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.